I can't find it. At least I had to go anywhere in the station. Look, you're going to. I don't think you will. It's too fast. How come you had to go and pause us on? I can tell. Oh. Wait, back. You will be able to go like the too faster. Also, wait, no, wait, let's go. Oh, look at the giant chicken. Now, Matt. That's what I need to go. But you can't go. You never make it there. Well, at least Chili's just went out in the forest and saved me. I could have called myself his friend. If I can't, I will never do the same. So who's with me? I'm packing an extra pair of shoes and the angry eyes, just in case. I'm coming too. Wait, are you coming? Yeah. Why? Because you know me and Chili were on a comet. Yeah, I guess. All right, let's guys see. Let's go. Hey, Pearly, you coming? Um, no. You see, I don't play. I know you try to say, you know, you spy, you eat your high. I'm tired about the issues today. You're coming with us. There's food over there. I don't care about damn. All right, all right. You coming? Yes, yes, sir. Sorry, sir. All right, let's get this show on the road. Okay, fellas, let's roll. Geronimo! At least I had a okay. I mean, at least I feel more prepared. Ah! Oh! Oh! Alright, hit. We'll be back before I get home. Don't tell the other animals, every animals you don't know. My man, it should have come with us. I know. Okay, you stay here. No, I'm going. What? Chili? He just wants you to be safe, but I don't want. I don't want to be jealous. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. You saw that thing? This is gonna be dangerous. Talk to the tail. Freak. After I find Chili, I'm gonna kill him.